What's good, guys? Ron's Rides. I'm at Maserati Alfa Romeo Daytona Beach, and today we're going to be talking about the Alfa Romeo Giulia. So my friend from Carbon Wraps, you remember him? He wrapped my car in Orlando, did the roof, did the lip, and did the mirrors, and does some awesome cars. Is bringing his Giulia here to our service department to get it serviced for the first service. So I wanted to go over that because people always ask me, how much does the service cost for the Giulia? And I've never seen a Giulia in service yet for the annual service. You know, maybe other maintenance, you know, issues or anything like that, maybe. For the first service, I've never seen one in. So I'm gonna give you the price of the first and second service here at our dealership. Now it does differ from different dealerships. I know if he was at Ferrari Maserati of Central Florida, he'd be paying Ferrari techs as well, not Maserati Alfa techs, which is a higher rate for, you know, Ferrari techs. So he's coming to our dealership. We're gonna give him a good price. We're gonna maybe look at Quadrifoglio. You know, we'll see where he goes with that, and check out his car, and then I'll give you all the info behind that. So let's see what we can get into today. Now before Steve gets here, I want to show you this 4C that's in here. This customer lives in Jacksonville. This is his daily driver. He has a super fast on order, an 812 super fast Ferrari. He also has an F12 Berlinetta. He also has a Dodge Demon. So this guy, he knows his cars, but this is his daily driver 4C, and we have had it here probably for a week or so. He's in no rush to get it, obviously, because of the other cars he has. We don't get too many 4Cs in, and since we have this one in, I just had to show it to you guys to let you know that we see them every now and then, and this is just a beautiful spec. Obviously it's my kind of spec, but you know, I'd put the red interior inside of that. But let's get back to the Giulia. You guys remember the Gran Turismo convertible I just drove? It's sitting here beautifully in the showroom now. Top down, of course. Looking so wonderful. We got a Levante getting detailed right now, the blue Grand Sport. So the showroom is empty on this side, but then we do have the Grand Sport Ghibli as well. In black, you've seen this one before. I did a video on it. Sport seats, carbon fiber, sport steering wheel, dope spec. That's what we got in here today. This is where I get to hang around today. Not a bad day. If you guys follow my social media, you'll probably seen these cars in it. If you don't follow my social media, definitely check the links below. But yeah, this is a beautiful sight right here. This is Steve, and you can see that his wrap is crazy. What's going on, sir? I knew you were gonna have something crazy done to it, but this is one you've had on it before, right? Mm-hmm. What wrap did you have on before this? Because you had a wrap over this.
Yeah, teal and Tiffany blue and I
never saw this car.
Yeah, he wraps cars. So this is actually a wrap over the top of it. Yeah, that's not a factory color.
Steve, how you doing?
Yeah, this is what do you call this?
This is called Deep Space.
Yeah, that's awesome. Dope.
That is Chase car.
Yeah, it's pretty neat, right?
So your maintenance plan for your Alfa Romeo Giulia. Right off the back, this is what they check. And it is covered under warranty, which is free $99, which is the best price to me. I'm sure you agree with that. Free $99. Let's see if we can get that to focus.
Did you tell the tow guy? He said it's not the tow guy.
And then they're saying about 300 for the second service. This is more stuff that they check. Yeah, second service about 3.5. First service free. That's all the reason to get an Alfa for me, because like I said, your second service cost was my first service cost, and my second service I'm getting done Monday. So I'll find out what that second service cost is. Now, luckily, I'll get somewhat of a discount because I work here.
Yeah.
So I just did that perfectly on time.
Yep.
But yeah, that's not bad.
I actually got it from your wife, so.
The wife gets to drive it.
My wife.
You say it like turns orange in the sunlight?
Yeah. And it has yellow too. Just depends on the lighting.
All right, so now guys, we're gonna hop inside. And we're gonna turn on this radio because we do not want to hear that. So yeah, this color is insane. Holy crap. I definitely just had to show you guys this because, well, let me turn off the brake. It's just incredible. Ferrari Maserati in Orlando, which is where Steve lives, which he could have came to, but he came here instead. Have not done a service on a Giulia yet, the first service. So this is actually the first service done on these cars, and this is a free service. It's under warranty. All Alfas besides the 4C gets a free service for the first service, and this is that service for this car. So it's crazy that its second service, which will be around $350, is the cost of the Ghibli's first service. Insane, right? So now you know, this is new for me, knowing that the first service is free unless it's a 4C, and that if you do a second service, it's $350. And yeah, that's awesome. So I just had to show you guys this because, you know, obviously it's cool to see a specialty car wrapped. It's cool to get some information about how much these services cost. And I know people have been asking me this stuff before. So now I get firsthand on the costs and price. So I wanted to thank Steve for letting me film his car today and being a good friend and bringing his car here to us instead of the other dealership. So that's really cool of him. But we're just gonna take one more spin around the car. That, guys, definitely give this video a like if you got some information and learned something from it. And definitely give the video some comments if you wanna, you know, comment on the services and the color of the car, if you like the color, if you don't. And then subscribe for more Maserati Alfa Romeo content, because I'm going to be bringing it to you guys, stuff like this. Hopefully that's more informative over entertaining, and I show you the behind the scenes stuff of the cars. So one more spin around. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Until the next time, we'll see you guys. Take care. Be blessed. Peace.